Important events in my life. I am Diego Camilo Jimenez Avellaneda. I am student of software engineering in second semester, and this is for Basic English 2. My three categories. First, my favorite vacation. 2, a challenging situation. And 3, my favorite moment at school. First, my favorite vacation. Where did I go? I went to Cartagena, Colombia, a beautiful place, a place of peace, a place where I learned a lot about our Colombian cultures, and a place where dreams are the greatest. With whom I went to Cartagena with my family, more specifically with my brothers and my parents. When were those holidays? To this vacation, I went when I was 15 years old in the year 2017 in the month of April. This picture, I am in Terra Bomba, an island of Cartagena. In this, I am with my brothers and my dad. In this, I am with my mom and my brothers. And this, I am with my family. This is Cartagena. Second, a challenging situation. What was that situation about? It was the final of the National Boxing Championship. It was in Bogota. It was a challenging time because I had returned to training not more than a month ago due to an injury, a ligament rupture in the leg and in the leg. But in the end, the result, although difficult, was the expected, and I continued with my title of national champion in 56 kilograms. What did this situation happen? The injury occurred in May of 2018. I was hit by a car. I returned to train in November, and in December it was the national championship, in which I competed under my responsibility. How did you feel? I was very afraid to start. Then I took confiance, and the end of the fight I won, and I cried of emotion and said, "Here I am against what comes. The best never rests." This picture is in the first training after the injury. This is a week ago of the competence. This is the final decision of the judges. Um, they say they did say I won, and I am I I am after the fight. My favorite moment in the school. Who were you with? Who were I with? I was with my best friends back then. One highly addicted to football. Another we loved business and with our teachers and school coordinators. When did that event happen? It happened in my last school year in the year 2017 before leaving school. Where were you? In front of the National University of Colombia. My favorite moment in the school. Teacher stoppage, in which all the students of 11 participate, walking and supporting in each march all our teachers, in which we realized that the news in our country omits more than 80% of the truth. It is my favorite moment because we all had the union with the numeral yo apoyo a mi profe. In this picture, I am here. Yes, I am here with the and they are my docents, my teachers.